Pocket holes have become the go-to standard for fast, easy joinery that anybody can get into, but there are a lot of different options, so choosing one might cause you a bit of head scratching. I got this kit, the 320 jig from Kreg, which comes with everything you need to start joining bits of wood together. So let's see what comes in the kit. To start with, it's all nicely contained in this neat little plastic box. As always, inside you'll come across some instructions, and I highly recommend reading through this booklet as it provides detailed diagrams of how the jig works and what you need to do before you begin making pocket holes. The last thing you want to do is mess up an expensive piece of material, so reading through this booklet is highly recommended. You're also going to find another little booklet with general safety instructions for the jig. Definitely read through this too, as it's better to have all your fingers and both eyes when doing woodworking. Okay. This little piece is the plastic seat for the Kreg adjustable spring clamp that sometimes gets bundled with the 320 jig. I'd highly recommend getting the bundle. Here's the 2-hole jig itself. You can drill 2 holes with the spacer in between them, or you can separate them to make single holes if needed. This little item is the depth gauge and hex key wrench for the drill bit. On this side you'll see the metric markings for your most common thicknesses of material. And here's the drill bit with the adjustable stop collar. Notice that there are matching metric markings on here. This is the screwdriver bit you'll need to drive in the pocket hole screws. It's got a hex connector for your drill or driver. And of course it's a square driver to make the job much easier. Also in the kit you'll get 2 sample boxes of Kreg screws. This longer blue screw is for outdoor use, they don't rust. And for indoor use on cabinetry, these smaller 32mm Kreg screws will be perfect. Be sure to check out the description for the best local suppliers of this kit. Happy woodworking!